What I wish I knew before panicking about my dashcam? It's usually a simple fix. Let's troubleshoot together. First, check the power source. Is your dashcam plugged in tight to the cigarette lighter or the USB port? Sometimes the cable gets knocked loose. Next, inspect the cable itself. Look for frays, twists, or obvious damage. Try using a different cable if you can. Now turn your attention to the fuse box. Your dashcam might rely on a fuse for power. Find your owner's manual, locate the accessory fuse, and see if it's blown. Replace it with one of the same rating if needed. Still nothing? Try the dashcam in another car or plug your phone into the Ranger's port. If the port isn't working, the issue may be with your vehicle's power supply. If the dashcam powers up elsewhere, check its memory card. Remove it, reinsert it, or try a new card. Sometimes a bad memory card can cause the dashcam to freeze or not start at all. And finally, check for a reset button on your dashcam. Hold it for 10 seconds. If none of this works, contact the dashcam manufacturer for support. Don't worry, most issues are quick fixes. Stay safe and keep recording.